Tako je zjutraj, da vse skupaj tako, tako.
Vodja tečaja, človek, ki skrbi za organizacijo celotne zgodbe.
Nice to meet you. I'm from Belgium. Senior instructor for the school. Nice to meet you. Thank you.
I'm glad to see you again.
I'm Aaron Lester. Hi. Brad's deputy there. He wishes he could be here. Brad. Hey, he's off on the other side, I guess. he says hello.
Tudi član druge generacije CFS-ov, takrat naprej jasno povezan z nami pri organizaciji vsega.
Dear Minister and other distinguished guests, let me welcome you in the name of the organizing team of International CIMIC Functional Specialist course. My name is Marko Grizek and I'm International CIMIC Functional Specialist course director for this year. I would like to introduce also serial instructor Major Gisnovat from Belgium Army, Colonel Charles Wogan from American Army, Warrant Officer Marco Korstens from Belgium Army, and also Warrant Officer Schoofs Moodwine from Netherlands Army.
Marko, si se kar ime spremenil?
Ja, gospodin, sem ga res vprašal, pa rekel, da ne, spregledal.
How this course all about, and afterwards I would like to have just to show us a program where we'll go in a better way, and I think all the guests will have
the civil environment, because any CIMIC operator should understand which is the civil environment just to act in the right way. So they are using all the tools that they got from the lesson last week. And they are just trying to collect together all the information because they can support the civil environment during the operation. Because the support to the civil environment is one of the core functions of CIMIC. Self-sustainable.
Francičuš, zaposlen na Slovenskih železnicah.
Marko, for this introduction. I must say that I'm really happy to be here with you because years ago I was part of this course as a member of academic circles of Faculty of Social Sciences. I was usually invited to speak about problems of military sociology and this clash of two different cultures, culture of the military and culture of civilian.
I'm part of the CIMIC team. I'm working here also as instructor. For this game now, I'm the deputy mayor of Moramanga. I have a CIMIC team who will visit me, is Lieutenant Saiter and Major Kness. They will come in and they will start talking about a specific kind of problem which you already know at a glance. Okay? Questions? Is it, okay.
We can start.
Can I ask the team to take their stuff, go out and knock on the door? Oh, good afternoon. Hello again. How are you?
Fine.
You're fine?
Thank you for the invitation.
Hello. You and you are?
I am Major Knes. I come from Slovenia.
Okay. Okay, have a seat.
Oh, thank you.
So, what news do you have for me?
We have, as spoken at the telephone.
Yes, you shocked me totally with your phone call this morning.
It was a terrible news.
Yes.
Unfortunately, I have to confirm it. We have one kidnapped member of our CIMIC team.
Wow.
And this is really confirmed. And we, in the meantime, received a video from the TÜV, and we had handed over this information also to our specialists, to our staff.
Okay. Have you seen him? Is he?
We have seen him on a video. He is still alive. There was
Okay.
the press release. The press